What do we have here, young man?
Well, let me tell you, we've got a homely-looking storm coming up the coast. We'll envision that in a moment. First of all, this is rather attractive. Tabbing at the green tonight. Rudy Bachanti shooting that for us, and we're going to put those numbers right up on the park. On top of all this, Central Park readings 41 degrees, humidity of 57%. Our dew point at 27. The winds are northeast at only 3 miles an hour. Remember that fondly, because those winds are going to be about 3 times that tomorrow night. The barometer 30.14. It is rising. It is cloudy over our region at the present time. Today's high, delightful, 50 degrees. Remember that fondly also. The low 38. We had a good deal of sunshine today, and sunrise tomorrow will occur at 6:26, sunset at 5:50. We're getting closer to that full moon, and that's going to play into what's coming in our direction, higher than normal tides as you get close to the full moon. And if you get a storm system like this one coming up the coast and pushing water towards and you tie it into a high tide, bingo, you got the potential for coastal flooding and serious beach erosion. That's part of the scenario heading our way. This is the latest satellite picture. Look at the tremendous cloud cover. Very heavy rains over the southeastern United States tonight. Let's move in on radar now, and let me show you the radar out of Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. That's the radar point. The center of that, and look at the precip moving up in our direction. This is an awful lot of moisture. This storm is juicy. It is loaded with moisture. And coming down from the north is a chilly air mass at the same time. Let me show you what I think is going to happen. The storm track. We've got 2 low pressure systems on the map tonight. A weaker storm that will be disintegrating tomorrow over the Tennessee Valley, and a stronger storm taking shape along the South Carolina coast near Charleston tomorrow morning. That storm system is going to inch its way, and I mean it's going to be a slow mover coming up the coast and bumping up against that cold high to the north. As a result, strong winds will be coming in offshore. Gale force 30 to 40 miles an hour late Thursday, Thursday night, and Friday. That piles up the water against the coast. Then you raise the tides because of the almost full moon, and you have tides that are going to average 4 to 6 feet above normal. And we don't have many barrier beaches left, folks, because of the other storms this winter. And as a result, there is potential here for serious flooding at times of high tide, particularly Friday morning. Now, another factor here, colder air building down from the north will produce a mixture of snow and sleet well inland. Our northern and western suburbs, northwestern New Jersey, interior New York, Rockland, Westchester, Putnam, Orange counties, and interior Connecticut, the potential here for 3 to 6 inches of snow and sleet. So this is going to be a doozy. The next 2 days are going to be thoroughly rotten. That's it. That's the forecast. Thoroughly rotten. Well, listen, it's stating the case. Thursday and Friday, there it is, okay? And forewarned, forearmed, and you got it. That's the name of the game.
Rotten it is.